The Adam Tools HCB 2202 Highland Portable Precision Balance is a compact and durable balance that provides advanced features for accurate weighing in a variety of environments. Compact and easy to use. The portable compact balance is unmatched for price and features by any other comparable balance. It works smoothly and withstands the laboratory and field environment of the classroom. The core's 3-point shock protection feature helps prevent damage to internal components from overload. If the storage space is limited, then you can combine several key balances neatly and efficiently, and you do not have to worry about the method of losing weight for balance. Unique housing designed to help prevent theft. The main part has a security slot that is compatible with an optional Kensington-type lock-in cable. A removable draft shield helps reduce faults caused by air currents for easy operation in a variety of settings. The core can be powered by battery or AC adapter, which is included with the balance. The bright backlit display is easily visible in any environment. 𝐂𝐞𝐫 can display results in different weight units, including pounds, ounces, and more. You can also disable unwanted weight units to reduce the error of reading the weight. A hook is included for the weight below the balance to determine the density or specific gravity. With its rugged construction, clever design, and easy operation, Adam's equipment scores. The portable compact balance provides exceptional value for basic weight work. The Adam Equipment HCB 2202 Highland Portable is fast and accurate weighing experience with precision balancing. Its compact design, advanced features, and durable construction make it a reliable choice for a wide range of applications. For more information, visit Certified MTP.